Problem 1. For the given two figures, calculate the value of x. Solution. To calculate the value of x, we shall form an equation and then solve it. For figure 1, 27 degrees plus 37 degrees plus x equals 90 degrees, as these angles are adjacent complementary angles. Hence, x equals 90 minus 37 minus 27 equals 26 degrees. For figure 2, 30 plus 3x minus 30 equals 90 degrees, as these angles are adjacent complementary angles. Hence, 3x equals 90 degrees. Hence, x equals 90 over 3 equals 30 degrees.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.